Welcome to a segment of their renewable energy logistics arena, where precision, safety, and seamless coordination drive the successful handling of massive wind turbine components. My name is T, and I'm a renewable energy expert, and today you are witnessing in this video one of the most critical and delicate phases in that chain. Here, a wind turbine blade over 60 meters long is offloaded directly from a cargo vessel at the port. Transporting such an immense component takes more than machinery. It demands specialized expertise, detailed planning, and an uncompromising commitment to safety. Highly trained personnel with professional experience carry out this task using advanced lifting systems and cranes. Every movement is deliberately controlled, guided by clear communication. From handheld radios to visual hand signals, perfect coordination at every stage is ensured. And starting from riggers to crane operators and logistics supervisors, the team operates in unison to lower the blade from ship to shore with utmost care, once safely offloaded. The blades is aligned and positioned precisely along the portside, resting securely as final preparations begins for its journey over land to the site. Operations like this highlight the importance of well-structured lifting coordination, strict adherence to HSE standards, and effective cross-team communication. These tasks are conducted during daylight hours to maximize visibility and control. However, the actual blade transport takes place at night, a strategic decision to reduce public traffic risks, comply with oversized transport regulations, and ensure smooth transfer to site. Moving a single blade may take hours, but every detail matters because this is how we build a cleaner future, one blade at a time. Thank you for watching this behind the scenes look at our Portside operation. If you're passionate about wind energy, project logistics, or safety excellence, feel free to share your comments or reach out. Together, let's keep powering the future sustainably.